gonna go to that viewing point that we had mentioned earlier. Lake Mead.
That looks like something in Frozen. That looks like the damn thing in Frozen.
And there's the Hoover Dam. And then up ahead, you're gonna see this sign that says Nevada. That is actually where that the Hoover Dam feeds, and it provides water to parts of Arizona, California, and Nevada. If it wasn't for the Hoover Dam, it wasn't for Lake Mead, there would not be a Las Vegas.
Lembra que eu sei, eu tinha que seguir você.
That Hoover Dam Lodge and Casino that we saw back there, that was actually outside of the Boulder City limits. Some very beautiful houses out here. The Hoover Dam carrying materials. It's coming right here on the right hand side. And now we're going to drive through downtown Boulder City. One of my favorite parts about downtown Boulder City is there's this museum called the Monster Museum, and they have an actual Ghostbuster station wagon parked in front of it. It's going to be coming up on the right hand side. There's a lot of quirky stores here. I'll point out that Ghostbuster station wagon as soon as we get closer. Alright, it's going to be coming up on the right hand side. Got that new Ghostbuster movie coming out. There it is. We just got this igloo building on the right. There's just a lot here compared to Las Vegas.